What's up, you guys? It's Levi here. So the other day I was in the office and a coworker came up to me and showed me a picture on her phone of her husband's laptop. And that picture had a screen that popped up on his laptop saying, "Pay up your antivirus right now." Okay, maybe it wasn't that intense, but it sure feels like it when you get a screen that prompts like that. And she was asking me, is this page actually legit? And I took a look at it and I said, this page looks like it's legit, but you don't need to pay for antivirus on a Windows machine. And she's like, oh really? How do I not pay for antivirus on a Windows machine? And I said, you know what? I'll do a video for you showing how to get rid of your paid antivirus and how to set up the free antivirus called Windows Defender. That way I can help you and I can help millions of other people out there in the world watching my channel. And here is that video. Today I will be showing you all how to get rid of your paid antivirus that was likely included on your machine when you bought it, and to set up a free antivirus called Windows Defender that is just as good as the majority of the paid antiviruses out there. That way you all can save your hard-earned cash money and stop getting those annoying prompts to pay for antivirus all the time. Alright, so before I get started into the tutorial, the only thing I ask from you all is if you find this tutorial useful, make sure you're smashing that like button and hitting that subscribe button, as those actions help more people find this channel and help more people protect themselves in the cybersecurity threats in the world. And also make sure you check out the affiliate links down below to help support the channel. Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Kaspersky antivirus, but the steps for uninstalling pretty much all the other types of antivirus are going to be very similar, so you should be able to follow this process even if you don't have Kaspersky to uninstall whatever antivirus that you have. There might be a few slight differences in there, but it shouldn't be drastically different. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go down to the little search box down here and you're going to type control, or you can literally just type CO and you're going to get to the control panel. You can then click on the control panel and inside of here go to uninstall a program. Once you do that, you're going to see the name of your antivirus in here, and if you're not sure what your antivirus is, you can, most of the time you can go down to this little up caret icon down here and you hover over in this area and you'll see what your antivirus is called. In this specific case, like I said, I have Kaspersky, and if I hover over the icon it says Kaspersky. So I want to get rid of everything that is related to Kaspersky, which you can see there's two different things here. So I'm going to uninstall both of these by selecting these and hitting the uninstall button on each one of them. We'll start with the antivirus. If you have the Windows user account credential turned on, you'll have to hit yes on this user account control pane. Once you do that, it's probably going to ask you, are you really sure that you want to uninstall Kaspersky antivirus or whatever antivirus that you have? And of course you do, because you're getting a free one, right? And you don't want to pay for this crap anymore. So you're going to hit yes. And then just click through the rest of it. Click next. Check all the boxes to... Oh, wait. No, actually, we want to get rid of all this. You actually want to read through these and make sure that you're doing the right things on these. We don't want to save any of this data in this specific case because we're not using any of the data. So I'm going to uncheck all these and then click next. Ready to uninstall. Please make sure that you are ready to remove all the components. Are you ready? Are you sure that you want to remove all the application components from your computer? They got a lot of warnings. They really don't want me to uninstall this, but yes, I want to uninstall this program. So you click remove. It's uninstalling now. You sit there and wait around. And with the power of video editing, we're already to the end of the uninstall. If only it could be that fast in real life. But more than likely with the antivirus, you're going to get a prompt to restart. Normally you would hit yes, but since I have something else to uninstall, this other Kaspersky VPN thing, I'm going to wait and hit no in that incident. If you only have one thing to uninstall, go ahead and smash that yes button, just like you should be smashing that like button for the YouTube algorithm right now. Alright, so I hit no. If I go down in the corner now, Kaspersky is gone here. You don't see the icon, but I still want to get rid of this VPN because I'm not using this either. So I'm going to select that and hit the uninstall button on that as well. Hit yes on the user account control. Do the same thing, go through the prompts. Saving objects. You can either fully remove the application data or save some data. The saved objects can be used during the next installation of the application. I don't want to save these, so I'm going to hit next without checking it. It's asking me if I'm ready to uninstall again. Yes, remove. And same process, go through and wait for this to uninstall. Alright, so in this incident, I had the restart prompt. I have everything uninstalled that I want to uninstall, so I'm going to hit yes on the restart. Alright, so the machine is restarted with the power of video editing. It's really fast. But the reason that you want to restart after uninstalling is because antivirus integrates a lot of things in your system, and in order to completely get rid of it, you have to restart your system so that we can turn the free antivirus on. Alright, so now that we're restarted, let's go ahead and turn the free antivirus called Windows Defender on. Now, the way to do this is to go down in the search box down here and type in security, and you'll come up with the Windows security prompt like you see here. Go ahead and hit that, and then you'll want to go to the virus and threat protection section right here. And because we just uninstalled the antivirus, it might take a little bit to actually refresh this page because it's searching for an antivirus that you don't have anymore. So I'm going to pause this video and wait for this to finish. Oh, it looks like it came back now. Alright, so now we need to go down here under Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click Manage Settings. And you can see inside of here, there's no real-time protection. We turned off the Kaspersky antivirus. There's no Kaspersky down here anymore, and we need to turn on Windows Defender to get the free antivirus that's included with Windows working. So in this menu, you are going to hit this button to turn real-time protection on. And once you do that, you'll likely get a user account control prompt and hit yes on that. And the one thing that I have noticed, like, if you do a restart and then immediately try to turn it on, sometimes it will do like it just did, where it will not turn on, and you'll sit there and you're like, why won't it turn on? And I noticed if you just wait a little bit, close out of this window and come back in and search for Windows Security and go back in here, everything is turned on. And once you see that you have this real-time protection turned on, your Windows Defender is set up and you have your free antivirus going. And if you have all these options on right here, you're good to go. Alright, so that's how you get free antivirus called Windows Defender on your Windows machine and remove your paid antivirus. I hope this video helps you all out a lot, and I hope it saves you some money for following this video. If you like this video and found it useful, make sure you're sharing it with everyone that you know that could benefit from this video, and that you're smashing that like button and hitting that subscribe button, because those actions help benefit the channel, because by doing those, this channel gets promoted to more people on YouTube, and the more people that can see this channel, the more people can see the content on this channel and learn to protect themselves from the cybersecurity threats in the world. Also, make sure, if you want to support the channel, check out the affiliate links down below. Any of the affiliate links that you take an action on, I get a commission from those links, and I will take that commission and put it back into this channel to make it even better for you all. Also, finally, thank you for watching, guys, and have a fantastic day.